What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? What time is it? Chilling with LaNini. Now y'all see what time it is. It is that crab broil time, baby. It's going down. And you see where I'm at? I'm chilling outdoors, eating my lovely crab broil. Baby, yes! So I hope you guys had a great yesterday. Did what you had to do, got your things done. But we gonna kick it on in with our prayer, because LaNini is hungry. I have starved myself all day long. And y'all see this bee out here like trying to like straight up get me. I should have never brought the freaking drinks outside. Like, oh my gosh. It's a honey bee. Like, oh crap. Yes, y'all. I got a bee flying around my doggone stuff. Okay, so let's pray before the bee try to take my stuff or sting me, and then we'll get it in. Oh, that's right here, y'all. Dear kind and gracious Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of our body, for Christ's sake. Amen. Yay! So, oh, Jesus, in the morning. Yes. Once he goes, y'all, I am so sorry. I am gonna have to lock my food down. Seriously. Sorry. Until they disappear, y'all, I apologize. But while we doing that, we already prayed. So tonight I got my drink. I don't have wine, you guys. I actually have a peach Bellini by Cereals. So I hear Cynthia Bailey, I seen her on the side of the box. She was the one that I guess made the flavor, or brought the flavor to Cereals, or Cereals went to her and asked her for her flavor. I'm not for sure, guys, but I did see that she's on the side of that box. So with that being said, that's what your girl LaNini is drinking today. And I have, let's see, I don't know if you can see my glass. I hope you can. But on my glass, I have my L for LaNini. Yeah, baby. And I have that good old, hot old shrimp sauce again tonight. Yes. Got my lemons on the side. Got my lemons on the side. And I got my pickled okra. Y'all know that's my signature. My drink and my pickled okra. You know that's what your girl LaNini gonna do. So let's get it in. I'm gonna open the sauce. These bees better not come messing with my sauce. But I do got my plates and stuff. So today, I keep saying tonight, y'all, but y'all see it's daytime, because I'm eating a good late, good early evening type of dinner, I guess you say. I have to cook everything else for my family tonight, but they'll eat this. But I got shrimp, I got lobster tail, I got corn, I got mussels. I have 2 eggs. Yeah, I got 2 eggs. And I think that's it, y'all. Oh, and potatoes. I got petite red potatoes. So, let's get it in. I'm going to pull me a lobster tail out. Got me a couple of them. About 5, 6 of them. Like I said, I got the mussels. I'm so sorry, y'all. Let's see. Are they gone? Nope. As soon as I open it up, they came back. But let's get it in. It don't even matter. Hopefully I'll make a plate and they'll go over here and deal with the plate by themselves. But I'm going to chomp on this good old mussel. Good old mussel. And this sauce is really hot to the touch because I just took it out the pot. Does I had corn too? If I didn't, I have corn. Ouch! Oh yeah. Good and delish. Got some shrimps. So how y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a good day today. Enjoying yourselves. I hope you got a plate of food. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Like I said, we're going to LaNini. We're going to bring these shows to you. I want to do a week, but I'm going to give y'all a couple days. And if y'all feel me, then I'll start pushing a whole week. When I say these mussels is good, baby, they good. Let me finish up my shrimps. But y'all have so much. This is like a mukbang for real. A mukbang all by myself. LaNini, a mukbang all by herself. But if I don't eat it all, y'all, don't you worry. It will be leftovers. If I leave it in the fridge too long, as y'all see my videos, my husband do not play. He will come in and smash. He will smash this for real. He wanted me to do it today. Yesterday I was like, because I feel if I do it, you gonna get me. And you gonna eat the whole broil by yourself. Y'all, he's so funny. But I love that man to death. He keep me laughing, I keep him laughing. And that's all that matters. Seriously. Now the slurping is hot. Shrimp, y'all. I'm looking to see if the buggies is gone so I can open back up. Open it back up so y'all can see the delicious, delicious crab roll. Cause I know y'all like, I can't even see nothing. LaNini, why did you go outside? I don't know, y'all, but I wanted to give y'all a different scenery. It's such a beautiful day today here in Georgia. I swear to goodness, we moving into fall pretty soon. I don't know exactly. Today is, what is today? Monday, Tuesday? So, yeah. I'll put it down and drop in what day is it. But, it's nice and hot and warm out. Well, it's pretty warm out now. But earlier, it was burning up. Georgia's just not gonna let go of the heat, y'all. Got that lobster. That lobster. I'll cut that bad boy open, y'all. Yes. Temperature. Hot. Outside. Today. Wasn't no joke. Today Monday. Because I'm filming this the day before, y'all. Two days before. I think I got one more video first. But yeah. So, my seasonings are still, I had some left in a jar because I had too much from another sauce that I made from the spices that Beloved makes. Now, I do want to say, the videos that I have done, when I say Beloved sauce, is not the one that she just aired on Amazon, you guys. Because I'm like a cook, and I like going by recipes. So, when I say her sauce or her season, is really her seasons from her video that she did a while ago. Because I have all those seasonings in my pantry, and I like taking a stab. And then, like she said, make it to your taste. So I like it to my taste, but definitely when it comes back on from being sold out on Amazon, I would definitely support and purchase no matter what, because that's what your girl's supposed to do. That's what your peeps are supposed to do. When you support, you support. But I do love making it from scratch, no matter what, no doubt. No doubt. But yes, definitely when it come back, I will definitely. Like I said, your girl LaNini be making it from scratch, baby. Yes, here. And my sauce is hot to the touch and spicy to the taste. And also I laid it on with the pepper again. I laid the peppers in this one. Red, yellow, orange, green, pickled ginger. Serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers, garlic. What garlic? And some mint ginger. Mint ginger. Let me stop, y'all. Got me eating shells. Not today, baby. Now, my lobster tails. Oh, geez, I don't even think I can tell y'all where I got some. I got some of them from Kroger's, Kroger, and I think I got some from Publix because I had some wrapped in another wrapper. This time I can say Bellini time. Peach Bellini. And you guys, it is so good. Now, it is liquor, so I apologize. Y'all know your girl LaNini. I'm at home. I'm not driving no more today. The kids are out of school and they chilling. They taken care of. But it does have 3.2 alcohol percentage, so you cannot drink and drive. So drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive, and you cannot drink unless you are 21 years or older. Sorry, guys, but it is really good, you guys. I'm not a I was back like a wine cooler girl back in the day, like when you first started drinking. If you ever drink, like I tell you, if you don't drink, don't start, don't ever. If you don't like it, don't like it. But yes, I was a wine cooler girl back in the day. So I haven't been big, but hubby brought them in one night and was like, babe, you need to try these. And I was like, okay, I guess I could deal with these. Ooh, excuse me. So the peach ones is the ones that I've seen that I like the best. Anything else? He had Bahama Mama. And he also had, I think, a strawberry daiquiri one. Strawberry daiquiri works for anybody that likes daiquiris. Let's see. Ooh, y'all, a little spicy, because it got a little bit of that B-Love and a little bit of LaNini put together, makes it hot. Whew. Yes. And it's only LaNini, y'all, because it's to my tasting. Shout out to B-Love for real, because when I say I was trying my best to make that juicy crab sauce, it was difficult. I had the taste down, but I couldn't get the color. And then if it wasn't the color, it just wasn't the right consistency. So shout out to B-Love really for just taking the time to just take a stab at it a little differently. You know, they say a couple minds work together, you know, people. So I appreciate you taking your time out and really, you know, trying to perfect that thing. And like you said, everybody's taste is to their taste, so it really will be, if you are making it from home, it's gonna be like a hint with yours to your liking with a little bit of sweet loving, bee loving. Yes, baby. Need a little lemon on my shrimp. I'm gonna grab a view out the heck on. Now, I know I said corn. This corn comes from Sam's Club, baby. So it better be extra sweet, like I said. Jesus. That's the sweet, y'all. Y'all. That corn with that sauce. I'll give it a little let. Look, y'all, I'm stuttering because it's so good. Gotta give another little lobster. Gotta give a little lobster. That's so funny. Because people was asking me the other day, is it hard to do your videos? And I was like, you know what, you guys? To be honest, I'm really a people person. But it's hard to be a people person with a lot of people around. So, you can make a lot of people happy with just doing a video. And if y'all know me, your girl LaNini been trying to do this thing for so long. But I appreciate everybody that in the beginning that I did any other shows with. I mean, it was fun. I learned a lot from a lot of people. I mean, you guys taught me a lot, like the back ends, the ins and outs and stuff like that. So I really appreciate, even the previous shows that I've done before. But to me, I always knew that I was like kind of destined for this. Like, I don't know. I got some other things down in my lifetime that I'm gonna do. I ain't gonna tell y'all what that is. I'll just pop that out when I get to that age level. Or if the Lord tell me I gotta do it soon, then get out of here, Mr. Fly. And don't bring that bee back with you, gangsters. Ugh. Sorry, y'all. That one was a little dirty. And LaNini was not about to eat him. Not like that. Okay. Okay. Okay, I messed that one up that time because my lips is on fire. Let's get it in. But no. A lot of people say, it's just encouraging to see a happy face sometimes. And that's what I try to do. But that's why I have to be kind of antisocial a lot of times to stay like that, because you keep a lot of stress out your life. A lot of people say it's antisocial, but really they're not. it just simply, smashed, keeping your focus. You know, when you go quiet sometimes, that's when you can hear things better. And you spiritual, and you believe in God, and you know, you have to stop and be still sometimes. So that's why I have to be antisocial about. Other than that, I love being a people person. I'm out and do things. I've been kind of, like I said, I've been quiet though, but and that's just because I had to prepare for this show. Other than that, your girl LaNini be back on the work. Be out back. They doing her thing. Ooh, do. Oh, crap. But yes, I boiled this whole bucket of food, y'all. Your girl LaNini boiled all this. And it was showing up smelling good today. I know. And I still owe y'all a show on how to cook this. But I guess here, leave it in the comments. If there's somebody or some people that say they want to see it cooked, then that's when I'll cook it then. Because I don't want to do something if everybody know what they're doing. And they just like to see me eat it. Because they either got some with them right now, or I done dripped again, y'all. In the shell. Or, like I said, y'all tell me if you want to see it. But some people just like to see you eat it and know what they're doing. Or want to see you eat it because they can't eat it. Gotta get my tool, y'all. Leaving back no meat. A little gristle. You know what? I'm just now getting to the potatoes, y'all. That's always a good thing. Because I gotta cut them 2 eggs. I feel like I'm dribbling. I need help to tell me. Am I dribbling, baby? I learned. I guess you just can't do a broil without the eggs now. I follow a chef by the name of Chef Cameron. Chef Cameron on Instagram. Follow him. He a bomb. He on Sister Circle. But yes, follow him. But he was out at a crab place and they brought him his bag, his crab bag, and it had no eggs in it. And no, baby, he was not ashamed. He got up. It must have been a quick trip or a racetrack across the street. And yes, he did go across the street and get him a thing of package of eggs. Came back and whooped it up in that bag. And yes, baby. So now I see for real. The eggs is serious. So you must have egg with your broil. Like I said, y'all turn me on to something. I ain't no big fan of them, but I still do 1 or 2. At least 1. in every broil that I eat. Nice and comfortable outside, you guys. It's a beautiful day. When I say it's so nice out here, it's so beautiful. Delicious. See, your girl makes sauce pretty mild. There. I haven't the last couple videos that y'all seen. I want to say my mom was on famous videos. Baby. Got me a lobster. The lobster. The lobster, baby. The lobster, baby. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Maybe I told a little tail. Maybe that's a little spicy. Because I'm feeling my lips, baby. See, it's better out here too. If a shell fling, I don't have to worry about sweeping it up because it's gonna fling outside on the grass. Sorry y'all for that loud noise. Must be a neighbor. Excuse me y'all, excuse me. Better out than in is what Shrek just said. Ah, Shrek, 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 Shrek. That was my boy. Olga. Do the roar. What's the little boy say? Do the roar. He said, no, not right now, Billy. Maybe later. He said, do the roar. I'm going to tell y'all my grandma stuff. It must be the hot sauce and the peppers doing all the talking. You know what? Before I stick that in my mouth. LaNini break. Woo! Oh, excuse me, y'all. Excuse me, raw. No. Excuse me, raw. Pickled okra. Like I tell you guys, you can eat the whole thing of the okra, the top and everything. Because I know some people like, you gotta bite it to a certain point, but not these okra. You can eat the whole okra out the jar. Oh Jesus, y'all. I'm dropping stuff. And I need to do a thumbnail. Can't forget about that. I dropped the same two things on the opposite side of the plate. Okay, y'all, hold on. Wait a minute. Water time. Water time. You guys, when I say I could prepare a crab roll, I prepare a crab roll, baby. Whew. I bit my nail off. Oh, by myself. Y'all, I am getting so full. And I have a ton of food left. That's like I said. That's why your girl LaNini likes, shall I say loves, preparing. And then when I say I make them, it means I went to the store, I purchased everything, and I came home and I did my own broil, seasonings, threw them in the pot, did my remedies, make sure they're good. Yeah, I sit over on the side and do my sauce, either butter, just butter, or the hot, spicy beloved sauce. I'm gonna give my girl her shout outs all the time, because I didn't make this by myself. I was trying, but mine was always like a mildish type of buttery sauce, and it was always orangey, yeah, like yellow orangey. But she helped me to get it more reddish, and when she told me about some of the things she put in, I just kind of kicked up a notch and did pepper. So yeah, but other than that, but that's what I mean when I say your girl LaNini cooked it herself, which means I bought it, came home, prepared it. I wish I could, but I be feeling like I'm gonna get gypped here in Georgia if I go just buy a crab roll and bring it home, because I love leftovers, and I just don't know. When me and my husband go to Juicy Crab, we don't have no leftovers. Literally everything be gone before we walk out the door, and that's scary. I may have like a potato left, maybe a corn left, I don't know, but not much, not enough to say let me go purchase a big old bucket, a big old bag of it and bring it home. And then I stay too far, it'll be too cold. So I'd rather prepare and just dig in right there. But when I tell you, hubby is gonna be in heaven, I'm gonna try so hard, you guys, to keep this and do another video. But if hubby see it in the fridge, there's no telling what possibly can happen. But this is a mukbang because I definitely have more than enough from one person. One person, sir. Table for one. Woo. I am gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Most definitely. I have to do that lemon, y'all. Get a little of that acid. LaNini braid. Get out of here, fly. Kids is already down for, ready for bed. We just gonna snuggle up. Do some spelling words, go over some spelling words, and just snuggle up and watch a good old movie. Cause it's still early, y'all. I'm gonna just watch a good movie on TV tonight. I'll play a video. Snuggle with my babies. Ooh, I am so full. No girl, LaNini need to let it go. Need to cut it out. Because I seriously have packed myself. If I put any more in my mouth, I'll take this last little bit of LaNini out. Everything. Closing out once again. It's been great. I shall see you very soon. My ninis. Okay, I'm tripping, y'all. It's gotta be the LaNini. It's gotta be the LaNini. L for LaNini. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hope y'all can. Maybe I should get real close. See that L? L for LaNini. Yes, my ninis. Oh my goodness. But once again, I shall be washing my hair because I messed myself up. Okay, good people. I love you guys. Like I always tell you guys, I'll catch you. I'm trying my best to do this on a weekly basis because I have so much fun doing videos and doing it. It's just the editing is what drives you nervous. Drive your nerves crazy. Other than that, this would be smooth sailing, okay? But like I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. You know, subscribe to my channel. I'm having a good time. You guys eat with me, I eat with you. You know, hey, and we're gonna have other couple of things to do. So, ooh, excuse me, Jesus, that's why it's time to go. But once again, like I said, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the channel. Leave a comment on my email. It's chillinwithlanini@gmail.com. All lowercase, you guys. Chillin, not with a G, just CHILLIN with LaNini, LANINI. @gmail.com. So catch my email or send comments or questions or any business inquiries to that email address. But like I said, I love you guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And you guys be safe, be sweet. If you're drinking, do not drink and drive. Your girl LaNini's at the crib. I'm at the house, however you want to say it, the home with my peeps. But you guys be safe. I love you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow.